Hi.
Welcome to 17, Liza here.
Wow.
I'm going to show you a premium 3 bedrooms corner unit, partially furnished. Come in.
Okay, thank you. Nice to meet you. Okay, so guys, my name is Jordan. Today I'll be doing a viewing walkthrough. Yeah, that was Liza. The first thing you will notice is that when you come in, you have a living room. Okay, the living room is in front, and the first thing, the most important thing right now is actually we are facing the golf course. Yeah, so for those of you who like to come back to a very private and quiet place, to look at the greeneries, this unit is perfect for you. Yeah, in front of us is a golf course, KLGCC, and then on the left is Taman Tun, on the right is Mount Kiara, all the way to the far right is KLCC. Okay, so now I will turn back and we will look at the reverse view. The first thing you will notice on the left, this is a place to put the TV. You can have a TV console and a TV on top. On the right side, you can put a sofa down here, 2-piece, 3-piece. Next to it, you have the internet port. This is the router, like the heartbeat of the unit. That's what they say, right? So, okay, and then moving on, you have a 2 horsepower aircon on top. This aircon will be enough to chill and cool the whole house down, common space, okay? So, behind of us, this is actually the kitchen. This is what they call an open concept. Yeah, even though it looks very simple, but the truth is that once you put your fridge down here, and you put your dining table either here like this or this way, then everything it really truly fills itself up. Yeah, okay, so when we talk about the kitchen cabinet, yeah, the first thing you will notice is that there's actually a 3-piece induction cooker by Teka. It's a very good and reliable brand. It comes with a ventilation fan. Okay, the second thing is that you have a 2 sink down here, one for your veggie and one for your dishes. And the ventilation fan is built in such a way that it actually goes into the plaster ceiling, up to the yard, and it comes out at the back of it down there. Yeah. So why do they do it like this? So that the smell is totally free from the unit. You can close the door. Alright, the second thing here is that this is the yard. This is the place where you put the washing machine. Yeah, the plug is here in and out, and the owner has also installed a retractable clothes hanger. Yeah, so if you need it, you fully extend, dry it. If you don't need it, you can push it all the way in, and it looks very, very tidy. Yeah, okay. So now I'm going to bring you to look at the 3 bedrooms. Yeah, this is the corridor. You have this little space down here. You can use this to put your vacuum cleaners or even a cabinet. Yeah. So moving on, you have a common bathroom on the right. Yeah, this is the bathroom number 2. All right. So this bathroom comes with a shower, rain shower. It has a built-in water heater, WC sink, and also the owner has installed a nice mirror with a little tray down here to put all your stuff. All right. Okay. So, and then we are going to look at the second room. The second room is on the left. This is the room that has the golf course view. All right. It has a curtain, fans, warm lightings. Yeah, so you can actually put your single bed or your queen size bed down here, and this corner here you can put a wardrobe, 2-piece, 3-panel wardrobe. Yeah, the last thing to mention, you have an aircon on top, 1 horsepower aircon. Okay, so let's go. Now we are going to look at the master bedroom. The master bedroom is on the left. First thing you notice when you come in, once again, golf course view in front. Yeah, on the right side here, this is actually a full height, built-in wardrobe. Yeah, so whoever that stays in the master bedroom, they will get the most built-in space. Yeah, and you will notice there's a plug there. There's another one there also. You can put your queen or your king size bed facing this way. Yeah, so you can put 2 bedside tables with your lamps and also your handphone chargers. Yeah. And then the second thing here is that you have this plug. This is where they can put the TV if you want. Yeah, and let's take a moment to appreciate the view also. Yeah. Yeah, today is not a sunny day, it's not a rainy day also. It's a cloudy day, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so moving on, the next thing I'd like to mention is that, like I mentioned earlier, there's this 2 ceiling height wardrobe. Yeah, these are built in already, so you can keep your clothes in here, and your luggage bags all the way up there. Okay, so moving on, this is the master bathroom. Once again, you have a WC, you have a towel rack down here. This window is for ventilation. Okay, yeah, the wind is quite strong. You have a bidet next to the toilet and also toilet roll hanger. You have a mirror and also a toothbrush rack down here. And last but not least, you have a rain shower with a built-in wardrobe. And I'd like to point out, we have this shower screen. We have a shower screen down here also. Okay. Yeah. Why do we have a shower screen? So that the water doesn't, spray and wet the whole bathroom. So in the long run, it's much easier to maintain. Okay. So now that is the end of the second room, which is the master bedroom. Now we're going to look at the third room. Yeah, just to point out, this is a 1.5 horsepower aircon by Daikin also. Alright, so the last room in the house, this is actually a third room. It's probably the smallest room in the whole house, but I like to point out one thing. You have two mirrors, two windows on both sides. Yeah, so a lot of people have actually mentioned to us they prefer to use this as an office. Yeah, why? Because if you open the curtain, this room has ample lighting. It's very bright. Just maybe not today, but most days the sun is up, it's very bright. If you want, you can also put a queen size bed this way, or a single bed with your wardrobe down here. Yeah, so you have 1 horsepower aircon and your ceiling fan. Okay, so with that, guys, this is the end of the viewing. I hope this video has been very beneficial. Yeah, let me just do one last pan shot. Okay, living room, kitchen. Alright, so we'll just say thank you to Liza and we'll excuse ourselves.
Thank you for watching. If you like this unit, you can contact me. I'm Liza from Redfield.
Yeah.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Okay, so we'll excuse ourselves. Okay, alright, bye.